So let us proceed with the question. On the asset side, bank, bill receivable, stock, debtors, land and building, furniture, typewriter, investment. So first of all, let us copy down all the assets. Let us copy down all the assets. Please start the question. Land and building, furniture, typewriter, and investment. These are the 7 assets. These are the 7 assets which we have copied from the balance sheet. Which we have copied from the balance sheet. 7 assets. Follow the book. Look at the board and simultaneously side by side solve the question. Immediately after the class, you will have to send me the pic. If it is late, I will consider you have not done it on time. It should not be a second late. With me only, you solve the question. Then on the credit side, all the outside liabilities, creditors, Mrs. A loan, outstanding salary, investment fluctuation fund, so these are the assets and liabilities which we have copied from our balance sheet. Very simple. All must have copied. Now come to the assets realized. Bill receivable were realized at a discount of 5%. Debtors were all good. All good means all the amount was received from the debtors. Stock 32,000. Land and building 40% higher. Furniture. Afterwards, typewriter was taken over. Investment was sold at 25,000 and a commission of 2% was paid. So यहाँ तक कर लेते हैं पहले. By Bank account, assets realized, bill receivable, bill receivable 11,400.
1,400.
Yes, beta, very good. Debtors full.
40,000.
Debtors full. Because all debtors are good. All have paid us the full amount. So 32,000. And then building. Somebody's audio is on. Furniture 5,700. Furniture was sold and auctioned. Furniture was auctioned and a commission was paid 300. So 6,000 minus 300, 5,700 received from the
सर लैंड और बिल्डिंग की अमाउंट कितनी है?
70,000, 70. Investment 24,500 because investment was sold in the market for 25, less commission 2%, less commission 2%. So it is 24,500 total.
1,83,600.
How much? 1,83,600.
83,600.
Very good, Krish. 1,83,600 is the total amount received from the sale of assets. Circle it. It will go to the bank account debit side. You can write like this. Those who are not very sure, for them it is like this. This is just for a reminder. This amount will go to bank B. D for debit side, bank account debit side. Asset realized will always go to bank account debit side. That's why I have written here BT for your reminder. It is a tip. A has taken over typewriter. Payment. It is written there in the question that all the liabilities were paid off at their book value, excepting for those adjustments are given. Other liabilities were paid at their book value. Yeah? Means full amount was paid. Full amount was paid. Mrs. Age loan. outstanding salary, all these liabilities, which are paid together, we sum up, their total is, together we sum up, and their total is 80,000. It will also go to bank account credit side. It will also go to bank account payment side, means credit side, payment side. So already for bank account you have got two entries. Already for the bank account we got two entries. One is here, 1,83,600, which is receipt, and 80,000 total payment, 80,000, which is our credit side, payment side in the bank account. Now please total. I think this side is more. 80 is there, 30, 40, 40, 50. Total the debit side first. Total the debit side first.
सर सिक्स्थ वाली एंड एडजस्टमेंट फिर समझा दो.
Which one, madam?
सिक्स्थ वन.
The firm retrenched. This one?
यस सर.
Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir.
The firm retrenched their employees 3 months before the dissolution, and the firm had to pay 25,000 as compensation because of the dissolution, which may happen all of a sudden also. Firm has to retrench. Retrench means send off or sack. SSC के sack कहते ना, उन्होंने उनको नौकरी से निकाल दिया. So when the firm retrenched their employees 3 months before the dissolution, some compensation has to be paid to them. उनको कुछ मुआवजा देना पड़ेगा, compensation. That compensation was 25,000, which is paid by the firm. 25,000. So now we total it. Anybody has total?
2,69,000.
2,69,000.
2,69,000. Debit, and 2 lakh. So there would be a loss. How much? There would be a loss of
8,400.
8,400. You will write here by capital account ABC. By capital account ABC in the ratio. What is the ratio? 3:1. 3:1 is the ratio. $4,200 and 2,800 and 1,400. This is the loss. This is the loss on realization. This is the loss on realization, which should be transferred to partners capital account credit side. loss will be transferred to capital account of partners and credit side. Here I have written like this. Sorry, debit side. Loss it is. Very sorry. Debit side. Loss on realization. This will be transferred to debit side. Then this is here one more case capital account. A's capital account. By A's capital account, it will be also transferred to capital account debit side. Capital account debit side. We have already got 5 items which should be transferred to bank account or capital account, either debit side or credit side, from the realization account. From the realization account itself. So one who does it properly, realization account already knows what items to be transferred to which account, on the debit side or on the credit side. Group,
Yes, sir.
please.
Done, sir.
Make it very clear. Make it very, very clear.
Sir, please side. Done, sir.
Okay. So you see the realization account is prepared and it has hardly taken us 10 to 12 minutes, at the most 15 minutes, with so much of explanation, etc. All of you please face the board. Keep facing the board. Now make the format of capital account. And I am very sure, because there are only 2 to 3 items, you will be able to prepare it in 3 minutes only. Capital account. I will explain you from here. Just make capital account. ABC. Their balance on the credit side, by balance brought down the capital balance. Yes, Gurpreet, you want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. Account credit side, by balance their capital. And you know how much it is? 60,000, 40,000 and 20,000. So write it down: 60,000, 40,000.
Sir, done.
Then there is a reserve. In your balance sheet, you see there is a reserve 12,000, which will be divided amongst the partner in their profit sharing ratio 3:1. So divide.
6,000, 4,000.
Okay. Ria's answer is 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000.
2,000.
6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. Very good, Ria. Now, Mr. A. Mr. A has taken over typewriter. In the realization account, you see we have circled it. Mr. A has taken over the typewriter, which should be transferred to his capital account debit side. So you write there to realization account. Write there to realization account, and in bracket you write typewriter. For that,
Sir, investment fluctuation fund बटेगा?
no beta.
सर रिजर्व डेबिट साइड पे आएगा क्रेडिट साइड पे?
What?
रिजर्व
Reserve credit. All accumulated profits and reserves are transferred to the credit of the partner's capital account. So this one, this typewriter taken over by partner will be debited to his account. Then there is realization loss on the debit side of capital account. You write to realization and in bracket write loss. And very quickly do the totaling and find out the final payment of A, B and C. Final of A,
Sir,
B and C.
56,800, 41,200, and 20,600.
Very good. 56,800 A.
Sir, 41,200 or 20,600.
These are the final payments. These are the final payments to A, B and C. Yes. Anybody asking something? And these three are also transferred to bank account credit side. Final payments, these are also payments and this is also payment. 80,000 total. Dipti, very clear. After making realization account and after making capital account, bank account is already over. You see, one payment is here, 80,000 total in realization account. Second payment, capital account, A, B, C, A, B and C. This will be also transferred to bank account credit side. This amount will also be transferred to bank account credit side. And there are two receipts. One is here on the bank account debit side, 1,83,600 bank account debit side, and one in the beginning balance sheet, bank balance is given 15,000. That will be in the debit side of bank account. In the balance sheet, on the asset side, bank balance is given 15,000, 15. So now all of you prepare bank account. Bank account.
Done.
Very good. Pallavi, explain bank account. The transactions, the amount.
Sir, in credit side, by realization
1
account
minute,
80,000.
loudly.
Sir, in credit side, by realization account 80,000. By Ace
Wait,
Capital
take
56,000.
On the credit side of bank account, first amount is by realization account 80,000.
80,000.
You will write payment to outside liabilities, for outside liabilities. Then there are three more payments. All of you know that we have already mentioned it here. The three payments A, B and C. By
Capital.
A's capital account, by B's capital account and by C's capital account, payments are given there. 56,800, 1,200 and 1,600. This is what, Pallavi?
Yes, sir.
And the total is 1,98,600.
600.
1,98,600. Very good. Now on the debit side.
Debit side.
Debit side.
To balance, brought down 15,000.
Okay. Debit side.
To realization So realization asset
Anamika will tell me.
1,83,600.
Debit side, Anamika will tell. Yes, beta. Debit side of bank account.
Sir, liability 1,83,600.
Okay. Louder. One search. Debit side of bank account.
Yes, sir. Sir, two
Debit
balance
side
brought
of-
down 15,000.
First entry.
Two balance brought down 15,000.
From where we have got this balance?
Sir, from asset side
Very good.
of the
First entry, two balance brought down. This is the bank balance we have already. Already we have this much of amount in the 15,000. Number two,
sir, two realization account 1,83,600.
very good. Where from it has come?
Sir, from realization account.
Very good. Already it is there. It's still on the board. These all are the assets. These are the assets. The total is here 1,83,600. And this total is transferred to, already written there, bank debit side. Bank account debit side or bank account receipt side. This total is transferred. So that's why when you make realization account, I ask you to write the amount of asset realized and sum up total and write it here. Otherwise, you will have to sum up afterwards, or you will have to write all the amounts separately, right? So just write the amount here in the particulars and total in the amount column. Same way here, all the payments or liabilities here and then total here, so that you can take this whole amount together in the bank account, and final payment also there. So this is the question which I hope all of you must have done. All of you, please raise your notebook like this in front of the camera for record. Unless I say don't bring it down, close to your camera, please, and keep it there so that it gets recorded. Very good. Nishant and Ayat are not there. Nishant and Ayat, other than these students, all down. Nishant, show the notebook where you have solved the question. Ayat, Nishant down. Deepti down. Immediately after the class is over, your question should reach me within 2 minutes. Click the picture and then send the picture for your marks just within 2 minutes. Okay? And you must have got the information. Next month, in the first week, you have periodic tests or called unit tests. Okay? Day after tomorrow, I will give you the syllabus for accounts and business. It will be written as well as oral. And the different methods, individual teachers will tell you how they will conduct the test, right? It will be online and it would be very, very strict because you have to appear online and just like this. That is why I am giving you the practice of solving particular questions. I may give you question abruptly. In between, I may ask you different questions which will be part of your test. You have to be in front of the camera all the time during the test. If you go off, you will be marked 0. There is no problem in anybody's phone during the class. I have seen for last 3 months now, only those who want to skip, escape, those who are careless, those who don't have interest in studies, their phones are having problems. They have the excuses of net, they have the excuses of different sorts. Those who want to study are always present, always on the right time, and are always punctual. Krish, am I right?
Yes, sir.
If you are interested in studies, everything will go on well. If you are not interested in studies and want to make excuses, then there will be thousands of excuses. And your net will always automatically will not help you. Harsman, if you are not interested,
Sir, excuse me.
it will also not help you.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So please take care. I'm glad that many of you are joining regularly, and those who
Sir, excuse me.
seriously will be awarded or rewarded deservingly at the end of the year.
Sir, गुरप्रीत को कहना
End of
चाहती
the
है.
year. Yes, please, Gurpreet.
सर बैंक अकाउंट का टोटल कितना आ रहा था?
Bank account 1,98,600.
600. बट सर मेरा गलत आ रहा है.
कैसे? क्रेडिट साइड?
सर मेरे दोनों इक्वल आ रहे हैं बट दोनों अलग आ रहे हैं.
हाँ, चेक करो.
1,99,400 आ रहे हैं.
अरे चेक करो आप. On the debit side, it is 15,000 and 1,83,600.
1,84,400.
83,600. ये टोटली गलत.
सर
Realization account में you see,
सर मैं 2 बार कर चुकी हूँ.
on the board you see here 1,83,600. इसीलिए मिस्टेक आ रही है. And on the credit side 80,000, 56,800, 41,200 and 20,600.
बट सर जब हम रियलाइजेशन में जो प्लस करेंगे एक बार उन सबकी अमाउंट बोल दो कौन कौन सी हैं.
ये लिखिए बेटा सामने देखो. 11,400, 40,000, 32,000, 70,000, 5,700, 24,500. इसी में कोई मिस्टेक करी होगी. अभी आपको जब इसका सॉल्यूशन भेजेंगे then you can check from there.
ओके सर.
Anybody, any question regarding test, regarding copies? I hope it is all clear to you. Is it clear? Okay. So take care of yourself. Stay at home. Enjoy. And God bless all of you.
थैंक
Thank
यू
you,
सर.
sir.
थैंक यू सर.